Hi everyone, my name is Wini. I am one of the Atelieristas at Fairchild Junior Academy. I originally trained as an interior architect in England, but back in 2009 I had a career change and I've been working with children ever since. I've always loved creating 2 and 3D arts. My earlier work, I would say, is inspired by Klimt, with everybody's favorite piece, The Kiss. I also admire Vasarely's optical illusions. For 3D designs, one of my favorite is the flamboyant industrial artist Karim Rashid, and I also love Hong Kong-based architect James Law and his cybertecture concept, or a very fascinating work. Shall we take a look at the studio? Come on! We have all the tape, color pencils, paint, glitter, chalk, everything that you want to use. Oh, and who do we have here? It's Mr. Russell!
Well, hello everyone, or as we say in Texas, howdy. Besides a passion for teaching, I have many other passions: storytelling, cooking, and exploring. Before coming to Hong Kong, I originally studied film in Texas, and I spent time working for film festivals as well as being a film critic. I love telling a great story, whether it be through dramatic play or reading a book. Living in Hong Kong for over 10 years, I've discovered the joys of cooking and the excitement of exploring and discovery. With my 3 afternoon classes, storytelling, cooking, and STEAM Plus, I want to share that zeal that I have for these with children and assist them in becoming more creative, curious, and confident in these areas. And, oh, you know what? How about we go outside in the treehouse and let's see if we can find Miss Anna.
Respect. Respect. Bravery. Bravery.
Miss Anna!
Oh, hello, Mr. Russell. And hello, everybody. This is Mr. Dinosaur. Hello. And my name is Miss Anna. As you can see, I have a great passion for acting. Come join me twice a week where your child will be transported into a world of exploration and super fun, where they can learn that there's absolutely no limits to their imagination. I have experience working with experts in both English teaching and the dramatic arts, and we are beyond excited in knowing how much your child will benefit coming to my classes. I am a child at heart, and fun is guaranteed. Miss Anna, do you hear that? I do. It sounds like the fitness coach, Miss Leisa. Let's go find out. Miss Leisa.
Oh, kia ora Anna. Hi everyone. My name's Miss Leisa. Come and join me for some fitness fun at Fairchild Junior Academy. It's my privilege to share my passion and love for sport and fitness with the children here, and I also get to see them grow and develop both mentally and physically. I grew up in New Zealand as a very sporty child, and I've worked internationally to educate and motivate others in sport and fitness. In our fitness classes here, we work on building sportsmanship, gross motor skills, language and communication, and also building friendship. But it's time for more push-ups. Let me show you Miss Joan. Come with me, come with me. Miss Joan!
Oh, hello everyone. Hello, hello, how are you? My name is Miss Joanne and I am your sing and groove teacher. My passion for musical theater and young children led to the start of my career as a creative movement educator back in 2008, focusing on movement classes, basic ballet, and tap dance. A couple of years later, I was given the awesome opportunity to train in baby gym and music education. And this was when I discovered that I'm on the right path in my career. I really love singing and I really love dancing and performing. That's why I'm so grateful to Fairchild for supporting me and allowing me to be the person that I am as an educator. I wish to do the same for your child, to allow them to express themselves fully and let them shine with confidence.
我们等不及要见你们喽！ 如果想参加我们的课程，请打电话2898-1611，或者发邮件给我们吧。info@fairchild.academy， 我们等你来哦。大朋友们，请安静坐好。